Hello friends, welcome to Light of Asia channel. Today we will discuss the paper 3rd Zoology of BSc 3rd year. The paper 3rd have two units, developmental biology and ethology. Ethology do not write here, so we will start now. Developmental biology have unit topic first, asexual reproduction. It means asexual reproduction is a process occurs in the animal plant also, while we will discuss here only the respect of animal, because we discuss here subject the zoology, not botany. So morphogenetic process and the stages. What is the stages of morphogenetic in asexual reproduction of the animals? Blastema, blastogenesis and blastozoids. Next topic is the kinds of asexual reproduction: fission, budding, gemule formation. Gemule formation is the very important in the animal. Development asexually. So next topic, comparison between blastogenesis and embryogenesis. Blastogenesis and embryogenesis is equally division and is equally behavior in the process of development, while blastogenesis developed by asexually, while the embryogenesis developed by sexually. Next topic is sexual reproduction. Gametogenesis. It means spermatogenesis and oogenesis, collectively called gametogenesis. The development of sperm in the male animal is known as spermatogenesis, and ovum from the female animal is known as oogenesis, while the sperm and ovum developed in male and female, actually maturation होना चाहिए था. It will be the maturation of the gametes. So next topic, vitellogenesis. It is the very difficult process. And parthenogenesis. It is also the process of development, but this is the not normal condition development. Next topic is metamorphosis. Metamorphogenetic processes in cautions and amphibians and insect. The topic metamorphogenetic processes. What is the metamorphogenetic process? The changes in the developing of animal from the blastula stage to the zooids. So next topic, tissue reactivity and induction process. It means tissue reactivity. What is the reactivity of tissue? And sometime induction process in the animals. It is also the detailed discussion during the given notes. So next topic is factors controlling molting in insect. When the molting is occupied in the insect, so what is the factors to control its developing of the body? The development of body is called the molting. During the molting, have different changes in the body of the developing animal. Next topic is regeneration. What is the regeneration? Animal have the capacity, if they cut any part, it have developed new discutted body. Such capacity is known as regeneration. Few animals have such capacity, planaria, hydra, porifera, etc. The metamorphogenetic process in regeneration. In the frog, in the amphibians, metamorphogenetic process in the regeneration. During the development of tadpole. So, next topic. Ability generation in different groups of animal. Different groups of animal have different ability of regeneration. Platyhelminthes have planaria. Planaria is also known as Deutzesia. Planaria have a more ability to regeneration. So, next topic, amphibians limbs regeneration. Sometimes amphibian have limbs in any accident and cut out. Such cutted out limbs regenerate as a normal animal limbs. Next topic, regeneration in hydra. So, hydra is a genera, so we will do the underline. Hydra is also showing the regeneration process. Histology, next topic, histology and process. Metaplasia. Metaplasia will discuss broadly during the full length teaching. Next topic in field, polarity and gradients, factors influencing regeneration. In the bracket, stimulation, suppression. It means the regeneration affected by field, polarity and gradients factors. Next topic in the developmental biology is growth and aging. Concept of growth and concept of degrowth, and last, concept of cell death in this topic. Next topic is mechanism of growth. What is the mechanism? Next topic is growth curves and their interpretation. During the curves, we will draw on the copy, so we will discuss in detail and Interpretation is also, it means I explain every curves of growth. So next topic, types of the cell growth and aging. Next and last topic of developmental biology. It is not topic, but it is the miscellaneous. The miscellaneous have biogenetic law, point number 1, and second, teratogenesis and chromosome engineering and its practical and implication. What is the implication and what is the practical? Of the chromosome engineering. So, developmental biology completed here. Second unit of the paper third is ethology. First topic, concepts of ethology. Outline of innate and learned behavior. What is the innate behavior and what is the learned behavior? Innate behavior got animal in the born, while learned behavior after the born, which is learned in the life. So next topic, imprinting and fixed action patterns. Imprinting hen and its child follow the imprinting, while fixed action patterns follow any animals who trained by any persons, follow this action. Next topic is methods used in ethological studies. Used B.F. Skinner, I.P. Pavlov, etc. use these methods. Second topic, anti-predator behavior. Very important topic of mimicry. In this point, sometimes predator attack while anti-predator change its behavior to save from the predator. So, anti-predator behavior, how animals defeat their predators? By fleeing, by fighting protective, by chemical defense. Many insects in the paddy field occupy, so release the chemicals. Many insects and animals also release the chemical due to the defense. Next topic in anti-predator behavior after the chemical defense. So, camouflage, warning signals and starter displays. It is the action of defense from predator for the saving. So by the camouflage, animal protect itself. By the warning signals, animal protect itself. By the starter display, animal and insects are protecting himself itself from the predators. Next topic is fighting behavior. How animals marks their territories and defend them. Some animals, insects, etc. have marked its area. Under this area, he have powerful. So, next topic is perform thread display and indulge in physical comb. Perform the thread display. According to thread display, showing the animal have a powerful. So, next topic is social behavior. What is the advantage of the being social? Social behavior showing ants, honeybee, termite, etc. Next topic in social behavior, how animals establish their hierarchy. Social behavior have hierarchies structure like queen, drone, worker occupying in honeybee. Queen, drone and worker are hierarchies structures. So, next topic is communicates and mating groups. How to communicate each other and how to mating during the sexual reproduction. So, in detail we will discuss. While next topic is courtship displays and courtship behavior. As you see, courtship display, it means sexual attraction to each other. Such type display by the frog in the rainy days by the producing sounds to attract the male part by the female. So many animals like buffalo produce the sound to attract the males. So pigeon is also showing the courtship display. So courtship behavior, some behavior shows the courtship. Courtship means sexual attraction and for the sex in the animals. So next topic is nesting behavior. Every student is known as the nesting behavior of animal and birds. Best nesting behavior occupying in the birds. While here not meaning only the nesting means a nest. No, nesting means as a home, here we include. So, how animals construct a protective home, rear their young. It means animal construct protective home, under this home its young, it means child, development easily without any fear. The next topic is migratory behavior of fish. What is the migration? When the fish travels from one places to other places, why migrate the fishes? 2 or 3 reasons are available for the food. Migration for the food, and for the courtship, and for the insufficient food where they live. So, next topic is migratory behavior of birds and navigation. Every student of the University of Allahabad live in Allahabad. So, a student goes to the Sangam area where you can see very easily a bird during the Magh Mela. Those birds are Siberian birds. He migrates from Siberia to Sangam for the food. Sometimes people's throwing the some biscuits, some namkeens and some any others for the migrate bird, or any other birds have best behavior in navigation. It means he search his pathway to the next step or next place and back same pathway. But sometimes he forget his pathway, so he did by mistake. So, paper third completed. Thank you.